Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today, this is my first video. So yeah, and yep. So I also am. Oops. Oh wow. I'm level 14. That's great. Okay, I'm gonna choose this. Whatever. Okay. So, anyways, what I was saying is I'm gonna be doing shout outs. So all you have to do to get a shout out is to go in the comments down below and do a hashtag notification squad. Oh my god, I can't speak today. So yeah, do that and then I'll shout you out on my next video. And so yeah, as I said, this is my first video, so if this is super bad, I'm so sorry. It's my first one. So today we are going to be doing some shopping and just having a great time. I'm probably just gonna do clothing and animations, maybe diamond shop, cause like I'm probably gonna, I don't know, just something, and beauty clinic. So I'm super excited, but I'm gonna start off with clothing, and move my way on. So I actually filmed this video already once, but like my whole thing shut off, and it was so like weird, but hopefully it doesn't happen this time, but I'm still gonna buy stuff, like different stuff now. So, when I was shopping, I actually saw this, but that's exactly when the video cut out. So, I'm getting that. Why not? So, yep. And let's see. Pants or bottoms, whatever you want to call it. That doesn't look nice. No, not that. Okay, so, ooh, that's actually really cute. I'm gonna get that. Yep, getting that. Like, I love so many things. Like, it's so easy to get my eye on something. I'll just buy it right away. By the way, I'm so sorry. I'm super poor right now. Not a lot of money, but you know, gotta work what you gotta work with. And this is my first video. Oh my god, I said that like 800 times. Sorry, guys. I need to stop. Okay. That's so cute. Yep, I'm getting that. I actually am gonna get it in white because I think the white will look nice with. I have some tops. So, yeah, that would look nice with the dress. Okay. Shoes. I'm gonna try to get some heels because, yeah, because they look nice. I'm probably gonna get like 3 or 4 outfits. This is my first outfit I'm getting. Those are not really nice. Why did I not click heels? Anyways, so I'm just gonna check out all the heels. Ew, that looks ugly. Sorry if you like those shoes. It's not like my favorite. Probably gonna get so much hate because those shoes would look nice on any other outfit. Like, I mean this outfit that I'm wearing right now. Those are cute. I'm getting them. Actually, I could get it. I'm gonna get everything. Like, that's literally what I'm doing. Anyways, so let me check out the hairs. Oh, I already have this hair. Isn't it so pretty? Definitely recommend it. Well, you can kind of already see what you're gonna the hair, but just get it. It's really nice. I already have that, I think. Oh wait, why did I click that? Okay, maybe I'm gonna check out the styled hairs because I like styled hairs. They're pretty, especially on MSP. Ooh, this is like super pretty, and I'm gonna just. Ooh, why is it like that? It's really pretty, so I'm gonna get it. Okay, now I'm gonna exit everything. I'm gonna click my person, my outfits. I'm gonna. Okay, so we have that, this, take off this. Is that all I got? I was like, wait, should I get that top? Oh, that's actually cute. That's cute. Wait, I never even like seen this top in my life. I think I like this top. So I'm gonna just I'm gonna wear these. But this one's cute. Yeah, actually I'm doing this one. So I'm gonna just say that, and now we'll move on to my next outfit. Actually, I might do 3 outfits. So next, I'm gonna do one full of just. Oh, I got a greeting. This girl, guys, I'm shouting her out. Like, look at this. It's lowercase x, capital M, lowercase y, lowercase t, lowercase a, lowercase c, lowercase a, lowercase l, uppercase x, and lowercase x. XX, mythical XX. Go friend her or whatever. Just do a great thing. She's amazing. She's been like grading me like 3 times. And I had to grade her back, so like I didn't want to be rude, but yep. So what was I saying? I don't know. Okay, anyways, next outfit. That's actually cute. Oh my god, yeah, I'm getting that. Wow, that's pretty. Okay, let me first get the whole outfit together, and then I'll like buy all of them. And after, I'm gonna greet this. I'm greeting her. Greeting XX Mythical XX. Because, you know, she's been so nice to me, I have to greet her back. Oh, my profile. 1 second, guys. I have to do all, like, I have to always do this. What's the next thing? Okay. Done with that. Are you serious? Well, actually, it's fine because it was right here. Anyways. And just click that. And now let's move on to the bottoms or whatever. This is so tricky. I think I should just get some plain shorts. I think those look really nice together. You know what? I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna just get some runners, some new hair, because I have to. Actually, I think I'm gonna just choose from my hair options I have, because like I don't wanna waste my money. And some, let's see, accessories. I'm gonna take these off. Oh wait, why did I take off the hair? I have no idea. Anyways, I know it looks weird. No, that doesn't look that nice. You know what? I'm not even gonna. Actually, I'll get this. I'm not even gonna do it. Yeah, I am gonna do it. To actually change this part into gold. Just gonna buy this, buy this, buy this, buy this. There we go. Again, that, and now that's the second outfit, but I gotta change the hair and just the hair. Do I like that hair? Oh, that's pretty. Oh my god, this is so hard. Yeah, and my account is new, so that's why I don't have a lot. Ooh, that would look nice. But it's like going over this. No, I think I like this because it's like a nice purse. Oh, yeah, this. Oh my god, I forgot about this. Even though I was literally just wearing it. I think this is my outfit. So this is the second outfit, and I think we're going for one more, and then I'm going to end the video. No. So rude. Okay, and now I'm going to go for like a nice casual outfit. The other outfits were kind of like, this is like going to the mall. The other one was like glamorous. And now I think I'm going to just do like a chill, like, you know, casual outfit. So let's go for pants. That's weird. I don't really like that. Oh yeah, this is nice. I'm gonna go for red actually. That kind of looks really nice. Well, it actually does look really nice. So I'm gonna go for the top. Maybe I could get this and then change the color to like a red. That would look nice. But no, I don't really like that. Let me go back because like I might have skipped something good. Oh yeah, this. That's cute. Yeah, I'm getting that. I'm getting that. Red. Perfect. Pretty. Now I'm gonna go for shoes and maybe hair. I'm gonna go for that. Oh my god, just like straight away, just like first page, boom, I'm getting that. Now hair, yeah, I have to do hair because I took so short to just pick my shoes. Yep, I'm getting that. Yep, boom. Okay. So these were my 3 outfits, but let me just take off all of these accessories so I end off with my last outfit. I'm just gonna take off the bag and the, you know, the shoulder arm thing. I don't know what it's called, but so that's it, guys. Boom. That was our video. So yeah, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the post notifications to get notified every time I post a video. Put a thumbs up. Boom, just smash the thumbs up. And I'll see you in my next video.